Meet Digit, the first humanoid robot working in a factory 9 to 5 and actually getting paid. Digit is built by Agility Robotics. He stands 5'9" and can reach up to 5'6". He has been part of a partner program, and the current cost was $250,000, but they're going to begin shipping them publicly in 2025, and the price is expected to be considerably less. He is currently working 9 to 5, and it costs about $10 to $12 per hour to run him. His battery only lasts about 8 hours, hence the reason he's probably only working 9 to 5. Digit is expected to last about 20,000 hours, and the return on investment, they're saying, will be 2 to 3 years, depending on what you have him doing. When they launch, it looks like it will only be available to businesses, so it's not one that will be offered to the general public or residential use quite yet. Obviously, robots have been working in factories for quite a while, but this is the first humanoid robot. It's expected by 2030 that many of us will have one in our home, and they will cost an estimated $25,000. Are you going to get one?